Hey guys, thought I'd go through my medical kit with you today just to give you an idea of what we got. It's fairly small. I've packed some stuff in there besides what came with it, so it has blown up a little bit. Probably need to pack some more stuff in there. First thing is bloodstock. This stuff is fantastic. It soaks up. It is a real lifesaver. The downside is it's kind of expensive. Definitely one-time use, like most of this stuff is, but I would add that to any kit you get. I got gauze and an ace bandage, you know, kind of a cheap stuff there. I like this little kit because it's got all these different pockets in it. Most of them do nowadays anyways. Here in the bottom pocket, set of gloves, instructions for bleeding. Got a one-time use thermometer. I like these just because they're so small and lightweight, but I want to change over to an old reliable good thermometer. I need to add that in there as well. It's got a little eye wash stuff in here. Actually comes in pretty handy, especially if you're not used to sitting around a smoky fire, if you're not used to staying outdoors, if allergies are bad, if there's any type of dust in the air from buildings falling down, fires, anything like that. This stuff comes in pretty handy. It's actually my second bottle. I've already used the first one. Nice little pair of scissors. Could be better. Got a bunch of different pain medication in here. Ibuprofen, Advil, stuff like that. Some analgesic gel, all kinds of stuff. A couple safety pins come in handy, and these little bitty tweezers. You'd be amazed how many splinters you get out in the woods, chopping wood, walking, grabbing stuff, fall down, anything like that. These come in very, very handy. They're tiny, they're lightweight, work pretty good. Another instruction sheet on, what everything's used to treat, what it does. Up here we've got small roll of wrapping tape. I carry more tape in the bag, so small roll is okay. I've got more I can use as well as zip ties. I've actually added a bunch of bandaids. We tend to go through those a lot when we're out, either with blisters or with small cuts, anything like that, anytime you get in the woods. And those things tend to get infected. They may not be life-threatening when they get infected on your hands and stuff like that, but it does drain your energy. It can bring you down. It makes you lethargic. It makes you move a little slower. It's a good idea to try to cover any little cuts like that when you're out in the woods. We've got cleaning towels for any type of wounds, small wounds, stuff like that. Pads, gauze pads, all kinds of stuff there. Large combine pad, works fairly good. It's my second one. I've already replaced it. iPad, if you carry a bandana, stuff like that, it's not really a necessity, but it adds no weight, very little room. A couple more gauze pads. Some of these little felt packets for feet, especially, takes up quite a bit of room just because it's thick and it's not really a necessity. I wouldn't worry about it too much. This little cold compress. These things work pretty good. I like them. Don't use it very much, but I could see, a twisted ankle, burns, stuff like that could come in really handy. And then you got, these little booklets in here seem to help. If you know anything about emergency care, you really don't need them, but it is good to have a reminder there, especially if you're the one with the knowledge and you're the one with the injury. It makes a difference. So that's it for the emergency supplies. Don't carry very much. I do carry some needle and thread in my sewing kit, which is right back over here. Keep a little tin can, keep my sewing kit in there. That can be used for stitching as well, and I actually have done that before. So I keep that with my fishing stuff and my sewing kit. Sewing kit there. And that's about it. All right, thanks guys. Stay safe.